Oh my god, dude. What we just did, another front flip and landed. Alright. Oh god. Oh!
Blowing on that endo. GameCube Nintendo.
Yeah. That's how like 14.
Oh god, oh god.
Are you kidding?
Okay. Oh. Shit. Doors are open, doors are open. You're god. You're wall ride? Wall ride?
Oh, wow.
Wall ride? I'm a god.
Wow. I had it twice.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh! In the grind!
And you grind.
Oh! On a wheelie! Oh!
I just had a near-death experience. I'm ready for anything. And we're shrimps. Very rare landing, buddy. I just saw your marker go way up.
What the fuck is there, Nolan?
Who knows?
Just like driving in circles trying to attract attention. Oh god, this is what happens when you let tricks drive.
Well,
Can we?
Tries to hit trees.
all
over
you
there.
can shoot out our tires. Chris is
Can
up to
we?
you to save us. Bro,
Yeah, I
no
gotta
one
shoot
goes
out
to
the
state.
tires
No one goes to
for-
state, so.
Can we hit the jump over here?
No.
No, look at my health. I'm gonna die.
Dude, you guys are fucking gay.
You're fucking horrible.
We're getting shot from top of that roof.
No balls. If you
Whoa,
want to do the
no
jump, you just go ahead and do the
balls,
fucking
dude.
jump. So if you
I'll
really
see
want
right
to do it, you
there.
would have done it.
And
Feel me?
Nobody goes to state, they said.
Just, you know exactly.
Oh my.
Fuck you. Fuck both of you.
Oh my god, there's two cars here.
I'm a god.
Get the fuck down, go.
Or we could hit this one with the two stories. Okay.
It's fine. Calculated. Wheelie, because I'm the coolest guy. Want to buy bandages, please?
Let me just jump over here. Hopefully I don't knock myself out.
Where the band-aids at?
And diddlies.
Need bandages.
Right
Did
there.
you take that AK ammo?
Might have.